for your game tomorrow. And last but certainly not least, a man from Mumbai who's looking like a full-on Sardar from Chandigarh. Without the turban, captain of the Mumbai Heroes, Bobby Deol. He, of course, does not believe in taking the steps. He likes this sort of entry. So how's this particular season of the CCL been for you? This is the first time you're captaining the entire season. Have you captained a game before? Up to now, you captained one game, if I remember right.
You know what? I have the title of the captain, but my whole team is the captain. I love you guys from Mumbai Heroes. Mwah, 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 mwah. No, seriously, this year it's all been fun. I mean, every year for me, cricket has been fun. I'm not here to be a serious cricketer. I'm here to have fun because I always wanted to play cricket. And I never got a chance because when I was in school, I was this huge kid who went late for selections, and my coach, Solomon, told me, "Hey, you fatso, run back to your class." So for me, this is amazing. For me, being part of cricket, which I love because I'm part of India, because I live here, I am Indian and I love cricket. And for me, this time, the team is happy. We love our after parties. Our after parties are helping us play better. What do you say, guys? That's what it is, the trick.
But here's the thing, I have to say, Solomon would be your coach.
He's not there anymore.
Well, he's watching you from wherever he is, and he must be very proud of you. Now tell me, what is it that's going to make you reach the finals? Is it going to be the luck factor, the Bobby Deol factor?
You know,
Are we going to see you in the finals?
you know what? I don't care about the finals. I never cared about winning a game. I just cared about playing the game. And for me, it's playing every game I had to play with my team, with my gang of people, my friends, my boys, as I can call them now. My boys, I love you all. And I'm just happy to be here to play cricket.
And yes, you're playing with your boys, you enjoy that, but what are your chances this time around? Because, you know, there are two teams over here that have won twice each before.
See, I think Sir Wen Saka is not here anymore, but he's gone back to his room. But I love him. I've always been a big fan of him. And then Sachin is a great friend of ours. He was a part of Mumbai Indians, and it's sad that he left us because he's playing so damn well. But for me, every team, I mean, I think Chennai is the most cool and calm team amongst all of us because they just quietly come and play and go away. Why? No, everybody's beaten us. No, but it doesn't matter. It's just the way they play. They're so cool and calm. And I think that's the attitude which should be part of playing CCL because we're having fun out here. We don't have to be, We just have to play.
All right. Now, you're a great lover of cricket. I'd really like to know who your cricketing idol is, has been, was, is going to be.
See, first of all, I'm not from Chandigarh. I'm from Punjab.
I know.
Okay?
I just said he looks like
But then, Kapil Dev is not from Punjab, but I love him. Okay? He's from Haryana. But I love my whole cricket team. I've loved growing up watching cricket. I've loved every player who played for us. And I might not recollect the names and the way they played. I won't know the stats. But I love cricket. I just love sports. I wish I could play hockey. I wish I could play football. I wish I could play gulli danda also. But I can't. And even cricket I can't, but I'm lucky. I just get wickets last year. So I'm still here. And I'm the captain because my boys love me.
Indeed, they do. All the very best for the semi-finals tomorrow.
By the way, I love Hyderabad. Anyway, everybody's busy getting drunk right now, but I love Hyderabad. I've met a lot of great people out here, people who are so cool and calm and chilled out. And I have lots of friends who have not met for a long time and bumped into them today. And I love you guys, especially the stable out here. And I love you all. And I love you too, Mandira.
Thank you very much, Bobby. Big round of applause for the very good-looking Bobby Deol. Now, we do have an auction, but I'm told that we need to have a quick vote of thanks. So I'd like to invite on stage Vishnu, founder and MD CCL, to give a quick vote of thanks and requesting all of you to please be a part of this auction. For a lot of you have contributed, but a few of you haven't, and here's a chance for you to do so. Can we have on stage Vishnu to please give a vote of thanks and a big round of applause?
Good evening, everyone. I know it's too late and I don't want to take much time. I would like to thank each and everyone who are here to support this cause. And actually, this is the first time I'm ever talking on CCL platform, and this would be the last time I will be ever talking on CCL platform. Because there is the future team of CCL which is going to handle CCL from today onwards. And we are going to be on the board, advising them and guiding them well. So first I would like to thank my co-promoters who trusted in my idea and who helped me start this league, Mr. Murthy, Mr. Thirumal and Mr. Sharat Kumar. I would like to thank the investors, Mr. Ashok Kini, Mr. Sohail Khan, Mr. Ganga Prasad and Mr. Vijay Bannani. I would like to thank all the captains who supported the league, all the players whose passion has taken up the standards of the league. I would like to thank all the actresses who added up glamour to the league. Now I would like to invite the future team of CCL, Mr. Karan Mehta, Anuj Rai, Ayesha, and Rahul Mandava to come onto the stage. I would like to thank my wife, Brinda Prasad, and my sister-in-law, Rupa Mahaganti. But for their support, this 100 Hearts initiative wouldn't have been ideated. It's their brainchild, and I thank them for coming up with this wonderful idea. And I request each one of you to stay here for the auction and help us save more hearts. Thank you. Yeah. Karan? So these are the people who've been working with CCL since long. And there are few more guys who will be joining us. But these are the 4 pillars of CCL who are going to take CCL forward from today onwards. And I am proud to say that we started CCL. We are with CCL. But we want an executive team which can run it much better than us. And we are going to be there on the advisory board. We are going to observe you. So please take care. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Congratulations to the new team. Thank you, Vishnu. And ladies and gentlemen, please, a lot of you have already contributed to this 100 Hearts initiative, but here's a chance for those of you who haven't. There is an auction. There's some, it's not a very long one. We've got just 3 lots up for auction. First up, we have a jersey signed by Salman Khan. So I know there are going to be takers for that. Lots of takers for that. It's just going to come out. Can we have that jersey come on stage, please? The jersey signed by Salman Khan. We're going to start at base price of, that's it. Come forward. A base price of 25,000 rupees. We're going to go up in multiples of 10,000 rupees. So the first bid is from Samir Kochar, I believe. He's walking right away. Do we have any takers at 25,000 rupees? Any takers at 25,000 rupees for this jersey signed by Salman Khan? You know, I can't see anybody in the audience, so even if you're putting your hands up, I can't see you. Can we turn the... That's better. I can see Karan. And Karan puts his hand up for 25,000. Do we have any takers at 35,000? Oh, he was just waving at me. I'm so sorry. Sachin at 25. 45,000 rupees. Thank you so much, Sachin. You have a very big heart. Do we have any takers at 55,000 rupees? Anyone at 55,000? 55,000, sir. Thank you very much. Sachin, back to you at 65. 1 lakh. He's gone up straight to 1 lakh. Back to you, sir. 110. 110. Back to you, Sachin. 2 lakhs. Back to you, sir.
210.
210. Back to you, Sachin. What are you going to go with? 3 lakhs. Back to you at 310.
Okay.
310. Sorry? Come on, Sachin. 5 lakhs. Sachin, I want to come out there and give you a hug. 5 lakhs.
Give it to him.
Come on, sir. 510. Let's make this happen. 510.
Okay, for you.
510. Thank you for me. 510. Back to you, Sachin. Are we looking at 6 lakhs? 7. You're amazing. 7 lakhs. Do we have anyone at 710? Anybody at 710? Anyone at 710, sir? 710? No? Anybody else? Any new bidders at 710? All right, going once. Going twice. Sold to Sachin Joshi for 7 lakh rupees. Thank you very much. Sir, you have a very big heart. Thank you.